For me, I had sort of come up through the ranks as a business analyst and then a product owner and then a product manager. All of my experience was my only guideline, just sort of learning as you go. I wanted to formalize that. Hi, I'm Jeff Yaeger. I'm a graduate of the Certificate in Product Management at York University, School of Continuing Studies. It's easy to do things a certain way that you're accustomed to, but it may not always be the best way. And that's what I found the program really helped me with. Because the instructors came from a variety of backgrounds and the students as well, they're all in different industries and different places in their career, it made for a great learning experience. I've had to look back at things that I've done and things that you learn everywhere that can be applied to product management or any position that you're taking on today. Because as much as I know, you can always learn more, and you can always learn better ways to do it. Just in the same way that your product, I need to invest in my product. If I don't invest in me, why are other people going to invest in me?